Today unboxing Honor Tablet X9 Pro, which comes with 11.5-inch 2K LCD screen and 8300 mAh battery with fast charging support. The tablet is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 685 chipset from Qualcomm. It has a metal body, runs on Android 15 with Magic OS 9.0 skin on top. In the camera department, the tablet has an 8-megapixel rear camera sensor and a 5-megapixel shooter for selfies and video calls. The smart tablet paired with up to 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of onboard storage. The tablet is equipped with a quad sensor unit, AI-backed note-taking features and parental control tools. It supports multi-screen collaboration, enabling users to share the displays of paired smartphones on the tablet. So friends, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.